We are here in Makati. Let's head on to Suzuki Makati. Let's look at some bikes. And they also have cars here. We just finished going to Honda showroom of Wheeltek, also here in Makati. Just a short walk away across the road. It's a nice sunny day. Look at that. Wow, nice dirt bike. Let's head on inside and let's see. Wheeltek Suzuki. There you have it. Those are the bikes. We have Supersports, GT bikes, scooter. I really like that dirt bike. More GT bikes here. You have your naked bike. Nice. GSX-R1000. Another GT bike. We also have cars, jeepney. Have a look. Those are the bikes. Numerous bikes. A lot of bikes here. Newly delivered. And we have your adventure bikes for Suzuki. Your V-STROM. This is a DE model. We have another one there. Scooter. Nice. Very new. Wow. Newest GSX-R1000R. Nice. What a view. Like the classic color. Another V-STROM DE here. A lot of adventure bikes. You have their naked bikes here. Nice looking chassis. Tubular chassis. Now V-STROMs. Wow. There are your adventure bikes with the signature color yellow. V-STROM. Different types of V-STROMs here. Look at that. Nice color. V-STROM and your dirt bike. Nicely looking. Good for long rides. Again, let's have a final look of the V-STROMs. There you go. YPR satisfaction guarantee. Wow.